together correctly, I hope. The only thing that is missing so far is this little sort of freeze plug thing that Mitsubishi tell you is completely sacrificial. So I'm probably going to have to get myself a new one of them to seal up the box. Now you can do that with the box in the car, which is really good, so I can just continue. And the last thing I'll need to do is put one of these in before I can fill it up with oil. But it's all back together. I've got to wait for the sealant to dry, and while I'm waiting for that, I'll get started on the clutch in the car. Next, I'm going to remove the old clutch. It smells like a train. It smells like friction material that's been burnt. It's within an inch